EDaily conversation.
Hello. I want to open a bank account, please.
Hello. Welcome to our bank. I can help you with that.
Thank you. I am new to this neighborhood.
That is wonderful. We have a great basic account for beginners.
Is there a monthly fee for this basic account?
No, it is completely free if you use online banking.
Perfect. I want to use my mobile phone for banking.
Excellent. Do you have your physical identity card with you?
Yes, I have my card right here in my pocket.
Please hand me your card so I can check your name.
Here you go. My full name is on the front.
Thank you, Leo. Your identity card looks perfect and valid.
Do I need to fill out a paper application form?
No, I can type your information directly into my computer.
That is very fast and convenient for me.
What is your current home address in this city?
I live at number 5 on Blue Street.
Okay, number 5 Blue Street. I am saving that now.
Great. Is the account active right now, Mia?
Almost done. Now we just need to make a deposit.
You need to deposit some cash to start the account.
Okay. What is the minimum amount of money required?
The minimum amount is exactly $20 today.
I have a $50 bill in my wallet right now.
$50 is perfect. Please hand me the paper bill.
Here is the money. It is a clean bill.
Thank you. I am counting the cash in my hand.
Do you need to put the money into a machine?
Yes, I am placing the bill into the register drawer.
Will I see this $50 on my mobile app?
Yes, it will show as your active account balance.
Excellent. Can I get a paper receipt for this deposit?
Of course, the small printer is making your receipt now.
I hear the machine clicking. It is very fast.
Here is your paper receipt for the $50.
Thank you. I will keep this paper safe in my bag.
Your new bank account is completely open and active now.
That is fantastic news. Thank you for your quick work.
You are very welcome. Now, let us set up your app.
Great. I have my smartphone ready on the desk.
Please open the App Store on your mobile phone.
Center. I am opening the store app right now.
Type our bank name into the small search bar.
Okay, I see our blue bank logo on the screen.
Press the download button to install the digital app.
It is downloading now. The internet is very fast here.
Yes, our building has excellent free wireless internet.
The app is finished installing on my phone now, Mia.
Open the app and click the button for new users.
Okay, it is asking for my new account number.
Your account number is printed on your deposit receipt.
Ah, I see the long number at the top page.
Type those numbers carefully into the first white box.
I am typing the numbers now. 1, 5, 4.
Great. Now you need to create a secret password.
Should the password have numbers and letters together?
Yes, use both to keep your money safe and secure.
Okay, I am choosing a strong secret password now.
Do not share this password with any other person.
I know. I will keep it completely secret.
Now, type your password to log into the system.
I am logging in right now. The screen is loading.
What do you see on the main app dashboard?
I see my name at the top of the page.
Perfect! Do you see your total money balance below that?
Yes, it says my balance is exactly $50.
Wonderful! The system connected your cash deposit perfectly.
Can I use this app to pay my monthly bills?
Yes, you can pay your electricity and water bills here.
That will save me a lot of time every month.
You can also send money to your friends instantly.
Wow, that is a very helpful feature for daily life.
Is the app menu easy for you to read and understand?
Yes, the words are very simple and clear to me.
Excellent. You can log out of the application now.
I am pressing the exit button on the corner screen.
It is safe to close your mobile phone now, Leo.
I am putting my phone back inside my jacket pocket.
You are completely ready to use your new account.
This app will make my daily life much easier.
I have one more important item for you today.
Oh, what is that? Is it my plastic card?
Yes, here is your brand new blue debit card.
Wow, it has my name printed on the front surface.
You can use this card to buy groceries at stores.
Can I use it at the outdoor ATM machines too?
Yes, you can withdraw cash from any machine anytime.
Are there any extra fees when I use your machines?
No, using our bank machines is always completely free.
That is excellent. I prefer to use cash sometimes.
Please sign the white strip on the back of the card.
I am signing my name with this black ink pen.
Thank you, Leo.
The signature looks very clear and neat.
Should I put the card into my wallet now?
Yes, place it in a safe slot inside your wallet.
I am putting it next to my identity card.
Do you know your secret 4-digit PIN number?
Yes, you gave me the secret numbers on a paper.
Memorize those 4 numbers and destroy that paper sheet.
I will memorize them tonight and rip up the paper.
Do you have any other questions for me today, Leo?
No, you explained everything very clearly and simply.
Perfect. I am very glad I could assist you today.
Thank you for your kind patience and great help, Mia.
It was my absolute pleasure. Welcome to our neighborhood bank.
Everyone here is very polite and friendly to customers.
Thank you. We try our best to provide good service.
Have a wonderful afternoon at your service desk today.
Thank you, Leo. Have a safe walk back to your house.
I will. The weather is very beautiful and sunny outside.
Yes, enjoy the warm sunshine on your walk home.
I am standing up from the service chair now.
Take care of your wallet and your new debit card.
I am holding my bag tightly in my right hand.
Excellent. See you next time, whenever you need us.
I will definitely come back to your desk for help.
Have a great week ahead, Leo. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye, Mia. Thank you again for opening my account.
Waves hand. Goodbye, Leo. Have a pleasant evening.
Walking out the main glass doors now. Success!